Hello everyone, Suman Pachigula here, and in this video we are going to understand about how a recruiter can post jobs for free in LinkedIn. And it has been there since pretty long time, so I wanted to create a video where you could able to understand that just not the normal way of posting a job to the post, but you could do it in a different way. All right, so now let's go to the LinkedIn page, and I'm going to share how exactly you could able to do it. Now once you open your primary LinkedIn page, when you go to the post, right, what we used to do in the past, so even there are people do it in the same way, so they copy paste things here like a job title. Okay, let me see if I just have a job which I wanted to post here. All right, and it's a domestic job. This could be used for domestic or international, whatever. So I'll post here and do necessary corrections, and here send me a private message. Okay, so you may mention your email ID or anything that per se you could do that. All right, and I would mention Suman Pachigula, and I may want to use some hashtags here, that Informatica developer and power center and Snowflake, right? So this is how we used to post it. Now what is that other thing that I wanted to share with you? So here what you could do is, in the fourth one, this option, share that you are hiring. This is an option that LinkedIn provides for a free job posting. So you can use this suitcase, or you can click here, then it will show you what exactly these things mean. Okay, now share that you are hiring. Now how you are going to do it, because if you are working in a company and you want to represent that, then you definitely click this Spark Academy as it's mine. Now whatever I copied from the past post, I pasted here. Okay, and we are going to play around with it after some time. Now job title, what is the job title? Informatica, you gotta wait. Okay, it will pull Informatica developer. Let's see with okay, we can't find job, so we just go with what it is offering. Now location, I mention this job is remote because this is enter location to target right job. Okay, this is a remote location, so I could go with Bangalore. Okay, so it is, I'll go with greater Bangalore area or anything. Okay, and this is a remote job. All right, okay, so we can mention Mumbai, Maharashtra region. Okay, so anything, so hopefully it will show up on that location. It's a full-time job, and what is that we are looking for? We are looking for the Informatica. It's a remote opportunity. For now, and you can play around whatever the way you want. Okay, or you want to remove this, you can remove this. So just wanted to give an example. Informatica developer with Snowflake, location, and this is the skill what we are looking for, the Informatica power center and more, and 4 years of experience. Okay, so that my son is crying there. All right, so excuse me for that. So 8 lakhs per year, I just mentioned there, and send me a private message. Okay, so that's what I mentioned over here. And now, or I could mention that, okay, email your resume to okay, so I have mentioned it in this, then it is done. Okay, now what is that going to happen is, that thing has posted like this. Okay, it will post like this. It will show how you wanted it to be posted, and it will post like that. Okay, now let's remove this one. Okay, now it show like this. Okay, Informatica developer. Required. We can mention a remote role, Mumbai or Bangalore. Okay, and we're gonna post it. Now it is taking a little bit of time. Now it is asking for get applicants faster and promote your job to reach more qualified candidates. So if I continue, it will take to the payment page, or it will ask me to boost it. Okay, so let's see. Now it asked me to purchase this one. Okay, it asked me to purchase things, which I don't want to do that. So it's a free thing, so let it be here. Okay, now once as we posted it, and how will it look like? So let me go here. So we can go to our notifications, and we can see, okay, here we can go to, posts and activities, and from there we will see what else we have posted so far. Okay, and see, this is the post. If I see there, and here is the job I have posted, and there are 2 views, and let's see how it is working. Okay, so after posting the job, I waited for 1.5 hours and see what is that happening, the activity on the job posting. All right, so let's go directly to the LinkedIn and see what is that it has to offer for us. So here is the LinkedIn, and here we can go directly to the post. So it looks like it's more than 100 views that we got on this job posting. And yes, this is what it is. There are no likes, but I could see there are 103 views are there. So now we're going to look at if there is any applications in there. Okay, so you're gonna go there and see more. And what else? Yes, it's more than an hour ago, and 2 applicants are there. Awesome. So it looks like there are 2 people who already applied. So we go to manage job posting. Okay, so once you go to manage job posting, you will able to see this. It is active. Now this is job settings. Job setting is about whatever you wanted to opt, you may do it. Okay, so I'm not going to go in that details that you could do according to the way you want it. But here I want to show something. So here you see in the right side top, view applicants, view application. So now there are 2 people applied. Okay, 2 people applied. So here I can go directly to the resumes. Here Bhushan, and here Roshan has applied, and I'll go through this profile, and I could, I have their email ID and contact numbers as well. So here I could rate them after looking at, let's say this is only 2, right? So what if I have 50? I have hundreds of application came in. So it is always suggested that you mark here according to your perception, that after comparing what exactly you felt about the profile. So once you put in there, now it is going to help you in this rating tab. You can filter whatever section you have checked in. Okay, so now it can go with the relevance, date applied, first name, last name, if you remember someone, and if you want to reach those person, or you want to check according to the location or anything that per se. Okay, so it provides that option as well. See how beautiful it is. Within 1.5 hours, 2 people we got in. Now I will connect with these people to see if they fit to the Informatica position that we have. All right, now you got to remember that LinkedIn only allows 1 free posting at a time. Okay, so if you have 2 positions, what you have to do is you have to post one, keep it for some time, then you got to remove it to post the second one. Got it? I hope you found it helpful, and if you see things are working, do let me know in the comments, and I would love to reply to that. Thank you very much. Once again, this is Suman Pachigola I'm a #1 best-selling author of the book Nail the Deal, and I'm a mentor and a coach for recruiters. I'm on a mission to impact 5 million lives through recruiters. Take care and God bless.